Shading, where they're expecting some big rains today in parts of the Gulf Coast, not our part. That, for us, tomorrow is our shot to get some rain, and this point looks much better than the last round of rain that was falling apart 24 hours before it was supposed to happen. So there is still encouragement for a decent soaking tomorrow. It's exactly what we need, so let's hope it happens. How about 49 degrees to get us started in Valdosta this morning? We're at 52 in Tallahassee and 55 in Thomasville. Not much of a breeze out there yet. We will notice a little change in wind direction today to turn those winds more to the south to bring in a little bit more humidity. Yesterday, pretty close to seasonable on both sides of the scale. 87 in the afternoon, just a little bit warmer than normal. 53 in the morning, just a little bit cooler than normal. And you do see that the rain bucket, 4 inches behind schedule now into the first week of May. So we do need something. I think our chance is tomorrow. Here's some more numbers around the area, from a 56 in Marianna to a 54 at Perry. It's 52 at Quincy. It's 55 at Live Oak this morning. Comfortable everywhere. Not a lot of wind, and it hasn't made that turn south just yet, but that'll happen as we go through the morning. Fog not a factor for us. The energy itself is starting to get organized, and it will have a lot of Gulf moisture to tap into. We're going to start to see more showers developing along the Gulf Coast throughout the day today. So as this system starts to come together, I think we have a much better chance for many more showers tomorrow, and maybe some heavier ones. There's always the potential this time of the year to get some stronger thunderstorms mixed in there too. And at this point, with the first wave of showers likely to come well out ahead of the boundary, we may see 2 different distinct rounds of showers, with even a couple of light scattered ones sometime in between, and maybe even a little bit of lingering activity behind it. So it may be a little bit more of a prolonged experience instead of just a couple hours in and done. The Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk for our corner of the southeast. That means nothing to get excited about just yet. We'll watch, we'll see how things come together. All the ingredients don't seem to be lining up just yet for big storms, but certainly enough ingredients are out there where that could happen. Plus, there's enough going on where we should get some of that much needed rain. I don't think we're looking at inches upon inches upon inches of rain. They're expecting maybe a couple way out west of here. But it'd be nice if we could pick up a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch, inch and a quarter, and I do think that's a possibility. One of the things that'll be limiting our potential for the dangerous weather is the time that it gets here. We need that instability. You get that with the daytime heating. If the system gets here, like Futurecast suggests, earlier tomorrow, well, it won't be enough time to get that instability cooking. So we'll watch, we'll see. The earlier we see the showers, the better to avoid the bigger ones. On the Gulf today, winds turn from the northeast to the southeast, 8 to 16. Seas 2 to 4 feet and a light to moderate chop in the bays. Looks like the low tides are done now, so high tides next up around 9:30 this morning. 50s and 60s, bright, comfortable, real nice start to the day. I think we're going to get a little warm, a little humid this afternoon. I hope those temperatures stop around 88 or 89. But today could be the day we have to blow the lid off the thing. 60s overnight tonight. Not as cool tomorrow morning. The air not as dry. And as we cook up some more clouds, we start to introduce those rain chances. Summary today, showers coming tomorrow. But then, my friends, it's about the bonus weather. It might take a little while to clear up Friday, but when it does, so nice all weekend.
All right, thank you so much, Rob. It's about 6:13 now. A Texas police officer is fired after shooting his rifle into a car packed with teens, killing a high school freshman. More on the events